Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on randomizing the enemy responses for each different response types they have. So for example, if I make a whistle sound here, enemy says what's that? So that's just one way of NPCs and taking a look. That's for searching, and then after searching he may say something like no one is here. So these are like three different enemy bark types, and if I do the same thing again, I have randomized those things, so the enemy will say something else, but still that carries the same meaning. So for example, let me whistle again. So this time it's just ha instead of who's there or what's that. Okay, and for searching, taking a look. And last time it said no one is here or something. Maybe, yeah, it says maybe nothing. So yeah, this is just a placeholder. The overhead text are just a placeholder for the until I put the actual audio clips. So but just to finish the implementation of the system, so later on we will add actual audio clips. So yeah, let's work on these details today. Right, now in the system that we have developed to show out loud what's the AI guy is saying. Here, what's that? Oh, there is a H missing. And then searching. Nothing. And go back. So this is the basic structure system that we have showed to implement it to show what the enemy guy is thinking and doing, but it's always the same. So what I want to do is giving some randomization. So first let me open the place where I implemented those things. Here on the searching part, that is here, searching minor thread. Here VT task talk. Here we, oh, this is where the H is missing. So here we directly say directly call a function on the character to just display this text overhead to represent that this is what the guy is saying. So now what I want to do is, instead of directly passing this hard-coded text, I'm only going to say like this is the type of response that we need from the AI character. So then within the character, based on what are the audio clips available, based on what are the different responses available for a given category of responses, one of them should be selected randomly and saved. So for example, if the guy hear some minor noise, there can be multiple responses such as what's that, huh, who's there, who goes there, things like that. So randomly one of them will be played. So to implement this, here I'm using this talk function, and I'm gonna, instead of passing the text, let's implement an enumeration. Where should I implement it? Yeah, maybe for enumerations we should have a different folder, enums. and let's move these already existing enumerations inside there. This is just an organization step that I just thought of doing, so not relevant what we are trying to do here. Right now here, let's create another enumeration. What should I call it? AI bark type. AI bark types. Right now, here let's keep adding. So the first thing is minor noise, and then nothing found. Starts just searching. Now we would see a lot of other stuff, such as seen a dead body, seen some broken machinery, sabotaged alarm, sabotage generator, a lot of stuff, but let's just get started with these three, because those are the three bark types that I am using at the moment. Right now, in the NPC character, let me open the blueprint. Here we have implemented talk like this. We just show the text. That's all what we are doing here, this given text. So instead of giving this text directly, let me just remove it and add another thing, bark type. Type is AI bark type. I call this bark type. Okay, now I should get errors here. Yeah, so text, so this should be, now instead of text, I'll convert this to bark type. Instead of a string, this should be AI bark type. Change the variable here, connect, and break this old connection. So right now we get the bark type, but here break the text. So based on the bark type, we need to select the text. So not just the text, we will need to have the audio clips also down the line, but for now just text. But how do we get the text? So for that, under AI, I'll add a variable, box. I'll put it under the category AI, and change the type to bark type, and I'll change this to a map. So now first element is AI bark type, and second element is a string. Can we have a string array instead of a string? No. To fix that, let's have a structs. Let's have a structure. Park struct. Here all we need is a string array. Parks, just parks. Now let's call it park array because we are using the box name in here also, so to reduce the confusion. So park struct. All right, now I have that. So now I'll add another, well, we don't really need a function, but yeah, having a function would make things easier. So let's create a function, get AI park, and it should have a return of a string, park text. Okay, now as an input we need AI park types. Let's name it park type, and then from this we can do a find based on this park type. If we have a value here, we can break this and get the park array. So since we have an array here, we should get a random element from this. So random integer in range, so here includes max. So let's get the last index and connect it like this. So we will get a random number between the last index and the 0, and let's return it. If we don't have any box for the given box type, let's just return nothing, and I'll make it a pure function. Well, it's not important for now, but in case I need it, I'll make it pure. So where did I implement it? Get park, get AI park, connect the park type, and connect the response here. Okay, now we need to have values. Minor noise we can't add because without changing this to non-default. So searching, nothing found, and minor noise. Right, so for each category, for searching, I'm gonna check search in the area, sweep in the area, taking a look, I guess that should be enough. And for nothing found, just nothing. No one is here. Am I seeing things? Well, this is a bit unsuitable in case the enemy is just searching for something he heard. So so what else I can put? Maybe nothing. I don't know, I have no idea. I don't have any other ideas. So yeah, for this is for nothing found. For the minor noise, what's that? Who's there? This should be enough. Okay, now we have the bark types and appropriate responses. Oh, I forgot to update this bark type here. This is minor noise, and then this is after searching, nothing found. Maybe before he say nothing found, should wait a bit. So wait. A random time. Oh sorry, this is not nothing found, this is searching. And this is, I don't need a waiting here. After searching is started and after went to the search location, this is where I need a wait. This is nothing found. Okay, right, now I think I did everything I plan to do. Let's see if it is working. What's there? Searching the area. Wait a bit. Nothing. Okay. And going back. Okay, let me stop. And oh, I didn't really had to stop. I could just whistle again. So now we should see something else. Huh. Searching the area. So I guess you get the idea. Nothing. Both time I got nothing, but it's random, so that's a chance. So anyway, you can add different types of responses here, like no one is here, maybe nothing, a lot, and then just pick one of them randomly. So anyway, I'm gonna stop this episode right here, and as always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.